Canada in the winter. It's a snow day. This is Canada in the winter. What can you do? So it's a snow day almost everywhere in Canada. Taking the toboggans, picking up the grandkids, go slide. Oh no! For the fields we go.
Ben's not coming?
Oh yeah. Go Nons.
I'll be sledding with something I got Watch out! Here we go!
Okay, now he's getting some distance.
No, wait! Grandpa, you come. Jill's gonna be first.
You wanna go behind me?
You're on this one.
Woohoo! Oh! Wait, oh!
No! 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 Oh no!
Oh!
You could have killed me, Grandpa! I think that you could have killed Grandpa. Leaving your weapon in the way.
In here. Get caught on there. Slow you down. Wait, wait.
On the blue one to sit. Here I come! Here I come!
Are you sure?